Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and then click on the button to get notified every time I post a new video. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and this is of an HP Chromebook 11A G8, and it's an education edition Chromebook. So I'll put the model number and all the information on the description as well. But let's see what comes inside the box. Okay, so let me pull out the paperwork first. It just has instructions and all this other stuff. This is the Chromebook itself. And it's an HP. Here's some more manuals. And then you have the AC adapter to charge the Chromebook, and it is a USB-C charger, so it charges really fast. Alright, so go ahead and leave any comments that you like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, so let me show you how the actual Chromebook looks like. This is it here. It has the Chromebook symbol. It's an HP. And this is just to protect the keyboard. But that's how it looks like here. It's like a typical Chromebook. It's really nice. Hope you enjoyed the video, you find it informative, and leave comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.